Now that we've covered some of the basics and you're getting into it, we will shift gears and start looking at fractions. With fractions, what we look at is addition and subtraction, then division and multiplication. The key rule with fractions is always to represent it in the form of a over b and not leave fractions as 3.5, a mixed fraction for example. That is where we have a whole number followed by a fraction. Many individuals struggle with fractions, but like BODMAS and systematic thinking of mathematics, we will begin with addition and subtraction of fractions. To add and subtract fractions, you must be dealing with the same kind of fractions. When the denominators, bottom numbers, are the same, it's fine. Then you can simply add or subtract the numbers. However, when the denominators are different, we need to do some manipulation. This means you need to convert the fractions so that each fraction has the same denominator. What you need to do is create what we call a common denominator. To create a common denominator, the rule of thumb I apply is to multiply each fraction's denominator by each other, then cross-multiply the numerator. See, here's an example. Why don't you spend a few seconds trying to solve it? The answer is 13 over 21. The basics of addition apply to multiplication as well. Recall that we must always represent fractions in the form of a over b. How to do multiplication of fractions? There are 4 steps. Multiply the numerators. 2. Multiply the denominators. 3. Place the result of the numerators over the result of the denominators. And 4. Simplify. Attempt to answer the following example. A half of 3 3/5. Mathematically represented as 1 over 2 times 18 over 5. You should have got an answer of 9 over 5. Division of fractions is similar to multiplication, but with one added step. And to divide by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. That is, the reciprocal of the fraction a over b is the fraction of b over a. So the reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. There are 5 steps in division of fractions. 1. Invert or turn over the denominator of the fraction or the second fraction. Multiply the numerators of the fraction. 3. Multiply the denominators of the fraction. 4. Place the product, the result of the numerator, over the product, result of the denominator. And 5. Simplify the fraction. Attempt to answer the example of 4 over 7 divided by 2 over 3. As you'll see, all I've done is kept the 4 over 7 and multiplied by its reciprocal of 3 over 2. The answer you should have got is 12 over 14, or simply 6 over 7.